Hey everyone, it's James from Intu. Thanks to our very genius folks over in our marketing team, they've convinced me to kick off this weekly blogging exercise for you guys. Obviously, not my forte, but we're going to do this anyways. Uh, Mostly because Intu is doing really cool stuff, and we know really cool people, and you're probably one of those really, really cool people. And we need to share this better, right? There's a wealth of information that isn't captured necessarily in conferences or on Zoom calls. And they happen in restaurants. They happen, when we're sitting around on the couch talking about what we think our industry needs, what we think emerging technology is going to bring, like some of the cooler stuff, some of the benefits of having been in this space for so long, just doesn't make it to the general public. And so we don't have as many voices in the room that we necessarily have. So what can you expect from these blogs, from these little daily, weekly videos? One, expect them to be short, right? This should be a quick minute on the metro, right? As hanging out in Paris during the Olympics with all the craziness that's going on. They should be short. Sometimes we'll be talking about what's going on at Intu. What we're building is obviously super, super cool. And there's a lot of perspective that we can bring on why infrastructure is important, why we still need more infrastructure, all of these things. But I think more importantly, it's the stuff peripheral to that, is why build all of this at all. So yeah, sometimes it'll be for our customers, for our potential customers, if you're considering building on Intu, if you're a developer, if you're a builder. Sometimes it'll be with friends that are either in emerging technologies or in a very specific niche in Web3, right? Web3 being, AI or NFTs, DeFi, gaming, right? Social, whatever it might be. But most importantly, the goal of this is to inspire conversation, right? And to hopefully continue these conversations and get more voices in the room. So we're very excited to kick this off. A little bit of teeth pulling to get me up here, but we're going to do it. I'm committing to it. And, it'll be very, very casual. So you'll see a variety of stuff. And we look forward to having you guys pitch in and follow along, and just let us know what's the most useful to you. So thanks for this, guys. Looking forward to kicking this off, and yeah, we'll see you next week.